One of the most important skills you can learn to level up your life is camera confidence. Being able to confidently talk on camera can blend you in every aspect of your life. It can boost your confidence to talk in a face-to-face conferences. It can make you flow with others in conversation. Think about this, how good it is to be able to identify yourself confidently and give speech wherever you find yourself. Now, consider doing this in the presence of your parents. They will be proud of you, right? So in this video, I'll be talking about few steps to level up camera confidence. So stay with me. Whatever I tell you in this video was actually what I did to level up my talking ability. Trust me, I have been there. I have struggled with talking to camera. I have spent hours just to make a minute video. After all, the good thing is that I overcame because I persisted. In this present day, you can hardly escape the camera. You talk to friends on WhatsApp video calls. You receive classes or conduct meetings on Zoom calls and create content that involve video recording. Week hardly passes by without video recording. So let's look at steps that you can gain camera confidence. Step number 1. Think of one person or thing. Rather than thinking of a vast number of people who will see your video, just only think of one person you are creating the video for. Now forget about everybody else. Say only the word that you would want this person to hear. See yourself as if you are in a conversation with this person. Don't act as if you are a presenter or a talking head. Be free to relate and be yourself. Step number 2. Don't script. Use bullet points. Remember that you are just starting, so you should be conversational. Don't be scared of mistakes. Besides, people love that. Nobody likes perfection. Humans do accept imperfection, so just start with a list of bullets. You know the stuff, and that's why it is being bulleted. Doing this will make your content rich and more likable. Step number 3. Get in the right mood. Do anything that can make you feel more relaxed before getting to a camera. Take a deep breath, watch your favorite movie talk, and play music. Just do whatever will put you in the right mood to get in the video. Step number 4. Talk it over before recording. Talking it over and over before starting is one way to get you more relaxed and prepared for your content. It is like a rehearsal, or just turn your camera on and do it over and over. You will notice that the more you do it, the better it gets. The more you become confident and concise. Don't be disappointed if you are not doing it at once. It sometimes doesn't happen like that. Just be patient with yourself. Step number 5. Be yourself and don't overdo it. Just start with the way you are. Don't overdo things. Don't try to speak grammar. Don't try to be emotional. Talk like you are discussing with a friend. You are just starting. Don't act like you are impressing anyone. Doing that can make you feel uneasy and end up achieving nothing. So be yourself. Drink water to feel better. Just know you can do it. As you start this journey, know that you will fail many times and laugh at yourself. It is okay to do that. It's just a start. While all these are happening, don't give up. Be motivated. Do it every day as much as you can. In the long run, you will become better. That is life for you. I hope you found value in this video. If you do, please subscribe and follow me for more videos like this. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.